Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first dynamic that occurred today that needs to be pointed out, and is kind of the elephant in the room, is that final 30 minutes here. Things were looking very, very solid, and then the final 30 minutes showed up. And it's not like this, session right here totally destroyed the entire day, but it certainly, kind of changed around the landscape of the chart here a little bit, and is, what's now bringing about, talking about this level here, which I'm not going to call an absolute do or die must hold level, but I will say 350 is a very preferable area that you really do want to see hold strong. So why is 350 so important going forward? Well, I'm not going to say, this is what's going to happen, but for example's sake, if the price were to come down to 350 and then just continue on down, what would you have at this point from a very literal perspective? You would literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of this morning. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they started, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price came down to 350, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision those as stair steps. Well, there, now you got, progress being made in the upwards direction, and that's what you want to see. So again, sure, the price pulled back from those highs, and I, realize the perspective of if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, and you bought right there, then yeah, the chart's definitely looking rough for you with that big pullback. But these comments are being geared towards people that have a bigger picture viewpoint of things. So from the overall, perspective, yeah, it pulled back, but the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base going forward. So yeah, keep an eye on 350. Definitely, like I said, I'm not going to call it a do or die level, but a level that if it can, the price can stay up above it, that would definitely be the best case forward going for the bulls. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.